So guys, first you want to open up the NVIDIA control panel. You want to right click on your desktop and then click on show more options and then click on NVIDIA control panel. Or you could just search for it and you can open it that way. If you don't have the NVIDIA control panel, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. And now once we're here, on the top left, you want to select Configure Surround Physics. Once this comes up, make sure that you have your processor selected as your NVIDIA graphics card. Next, on the top left, you want to select Manage 3D Settings. If there's a drop down here for you, you want to select it and then select your NVIDIA graphics card. You might not have it though, but if you do, click on the drop down and then select your NVIDIA graphics card. If it's still not switched, then for the second method, go to search and type in Graphics Settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find the application you want to use your NVIDIA graphics card for. You want to click on the drop down. Next to GPU preference, click on the drop down and then select your NVIDIA graphics card. If the application that you want to use is not appearing here, then you could either add it as a desktop app, or if it's a Microsoft Store app, you can add it through here. You want to find the executable file of the application. After you add it, it's going to appear here. Then you want to select your NVIDIA graphics card once it comes up. See if that works. For the last method, we're going to uninstall our Intel graphics card. You want to go to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to expand Display Adapters. You want to find your Intel graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on Uninstall. Then you want to uninstall it. After you uninstall the Intel graphics card, just restart your computer and then it should be switched.